Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mukwonago, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muskego, Mukwonago, Wind Lake, Vernon, Rochester, Big Bend, Waterford North, Potter Lake, and Waterford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the